All right, folks, we're moving on to area, our second to last unit, which is nuts. 27 more school days, also crazy. Last week of April, crazy. How fast it's gonna go. We're gonna blink and our time will be over.
Mondays go pretty slow. Same with Friday.
There's only 3 more now. 3 more
And
Mondays.
also,
Wednesdays go
finish my
quick though.
Yeah,
Wow.
3 more Mondays.
Mondays go slow, buddy.
No, I'm out of here already.
So you've done area probably since like 3rd grade.
Oh, yeah, I've done this.
So to make it a little more challenging, or at least at the freshman, sophomore, high school level, we just throw in like special right triangles or trig or Pythagorean theorems to help you find the length. So what we're doing is not hard, right? You've done area of a triangle, a square, a circle, truly since like elementary school, but we just elevate it a little bit.
Truly.
Truly.
Not needed.
It's not needed. We gotta work your brain, right? Exercise it. Make it strong. Again, you guys should be proud of the math
No.
your little noggin can do. It's impressive. It's impressive. There's a lot of people in the world who can't. A lot of people can't. Okay, let's talk about a parallelogram. Any one of your sides can be a base. It doesn't matter. What matters is the height, and your height is always perpendicular to that base. So always look for the right angle. Maybe I would circle that on your picture. Your base and height are perpendicular, okay? Can we agree this is a parallelogram right here?
Yeah.
Okay. If I were to make this little right triangle and move it right there. So I took this red triangle and moved it there. What shape did I just make?
Probably triangle.
A square.
A
Rectangle.
rectangle, right? I just
Same
rearranged
thing.
my parallelogram. How do you find the area of a rectangle?
Is that a rectangle?
Length times width? Yeah, but we're just gonna say base times height. Base times height. Just remember a parallelogram is a rectangle, like slanted. It's pushed over. So base times height.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we're finding perimeter of the parallelogram and its area. What do you want to do first?
Just solve it.
Just solve it. So find all the missing parts?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this guy? 17. What's the bottom?
29. No. Yeah.
What would that bottom length be? 21.
Oh,
So we can
entire thing was solved.
Find perimeter right away. 21 plus 17 plus 21 plus 17. Let me know what you get. We can compare.
21. Did you say we rearranged it?
Adding up the sides. You can add
I thought we were rearranging it.
you will want a calculator. If you don't have one, go grab one. We'll be on your calculator a lot today. You might as well go grab one if you don't have one. That's okay. It's Monday. We forget. I know. It makes me sad. And happy, but sad. One day that's going to be you up there.
No. 9.
Did anyone get the answer for that part? 76. What's our unit for perimeter? Centimeters.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Area, base times height. What's our base? 21's our base. What's our height?
17.
Unfortunately, it's that vertical line that makes the right angle with 21, right? Do we know this?
No,
But can we
don't-
find
just
it?
gotta solve it.
How?
Just do the little
Pythagorean
Pythagorean theorem. Here we go. 17 squared equals 8 squared plus x squared. I'll let you guys get a head start and I'll catch up to you.
Are we rounding up like to the nearest whole number?
We'll just do to the nearest tenth unless it specifies. So do everything to 1 decimal point
18.5.
unless it specifies otherwise.
15. 15.
I think it is a nice whole number.
64. It's not. 17 times 17 plus 64. Why are you adding 64?
Minus 64.
17 times 1.
Yep, 17's your hypotenuse.
Holy. Well, we get 15. Yes.
Are you okay with 15?
Probably.
120 squared.
Now you multiply them.
Yes.
21 times 15. Tell me what you get. 315. Do you have a unit?
Yes.
Centimeters squared because it's area. Very good.
I could not tell you.
It's okay.
Oh.
Next one's a little easier. Let's go around.
I don't think it's a little easier.
What would this be? What's that
9
hypotenuse?
squared. Second. Or 9 root 2.
Special right triangle,
9
right?
root 2.
Your leg's 9.
9 or 2.
9 root 2. Good.
Yes.
So that means this guy's 9 root 2. What's this bottom length?
17.
Add them up. Perimeter.
I need 2 square roots.
Careful when you put this in your calculator to end that parentheses, otherwise it's going to give you a funky answer.
What? I'm not.
When you type in 9 root 2, make sure you end that parentheses, otherwise it's going to add on a bunch of stuff to your answer that you don't want.
I don't think I can do that.
Okay. If you have a calculator like me, it can.
No, you.
If anyone feels confident what you got, let me know.
Syntax error.
Ooh, we're confident in that.
How do you? 59.
I'm getting 59.5.
I'm not even understanding what you're doing.
We're just adding?
Do you like times and 9 times? I just can't even do this. The calculator does not have
The square root?
I know it does, but it just doesn't work. Where's your root?
Okay, area. What's our base? 17. What's the height?
9.
Right, this leg matches that leg, so 9. 17 times 9?
Sure. At least 57.
More than 57.
153.
There we
Oh,
go.
took out my head.
Yards squared.
We don't know anymore.
Do you guys want to get a head start on the last one?
I'll try.
Just try. It's a special right triangle.
No.
Special right triangle. You guys are all special too.
Oh. Guess that's true.
You sure could use straight. But it just might be easier to use special right triangle.
Oh, we gotta do. You gotta do sine. Gotta do sine.
That's a 90 degree angle. That's 60.
Gotta do sine.
Times it by 2, you get 20.
But see, you could use trig, folks, but that's going to make you use 2 different trig functions. If you use special right triangles, here's your short side. What's your hypotenuse? Double it. And then your long side would be 12 root 3. I just think that's so much faster than using trig.
Use that thing. 2 times 12. I like the
665.
32 times.
Do we do decimal or just round down?
We'll do near to 1 decimal place.
Yes.
4?
I can't do the work through it.
I'm not sure why you can't use your calculator.
Well, no, it's just
Is this all we're doing today?
No, we gotta do the next page.
Ah,
What's
that's how we're getting lucky.
Right here. So you want the number of
Did you go to
the
Just
square root?
light.
No, square root. You just put
Yeah.
9
Oh, you like it? Yeah. Oh, nice.
540.
About that.
times 2.
Buck.
Wait, what?
So you get
How
the
did
big number times 9
Doesn't matter. How do you get
times
662?
2 by all the square root.
I think
32 times 12.
Yes.
I did that too.
Buddy.
Oh, no, I did 12 over
So this
2.
one
Buddy.
is
12 over 3, eh?
You're gonna have 32 times 12 times 3 square root. Yep, 6.
Good morning.
64. Yes.
Good morning.
Guten Morgen.
Mormons told me. Ew.
Are we okay?
Thank you.
Do we agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm taking your silence as confidence.
Yep.
Okay, we're going.
Let's go.
Good morning.
Okay, triangles now. We're moving on. How do you find the area of a triangle?
Based on type.
Base times height.
Squared.
5
Equals area.
If I have a rectangle,
Oh, divide by 2.
right, how many triangles are there? 2. So base times height divided by 2.
Oh. How?
Sorry.
You can write it this way too if you rather have a fraction. They mean the same thing. Whatever way your brain likes to write it. Base times height divided by 2,
How is this so much better?
or half base times height.
No, this is like actually so much easier than last
All right, when you're ready, let's try some examples with the triangle, because they get kind of weird. So in any example, folks, in this chapter, you're usually always looking for this shaded figure.
Okay.
Okay? So sometimes it gets confusing, right? Because like I have a triangle here, and then like I have these dashed lines. The dashed lines aren't part of what we're trying to find the area of, or the perimeter. So if we were trying to find the perimeter, can we agree that we're missing this purple side there?
Yep.
How would we find it?
Just
16.9.
Turn it over here.
Yeah.
This is still a right triangle.
40.4.
What would we use to find it? Pythagorean theorem.
oh, actually.
100.
X squared equals
100.36.
27 squared plus 30 squared. Yeah, we're using the non-existing triangle to help us solve the existing one.
Now we do base times height. 19. It's like 19 times
It is filled.
40.
40 filled.
Are you going to one decimal place?
767.6.
Actually, you're supposed to get 100.36 away.
No. Probably not.
40.4?
Mason, 67.6 inches.
What's the height on that?
What'd you get, Landon?
0.767. So just this base.
What are you guys getting for the perimeter?
100.4.
I agree. 100.4.
No, you do this side?
Me and Landon are flying.
He's not falling either.
Okay, now finding the area is kind of tricky here, right? What's going on in this picture? What do you think your base side is?
19.
It is 19. And what do you think your height is?
40.4.
I want it to be the perpendicular length. Look for the right angle.
Oh, 30.
30.
We are incorrect.
19 times 30 divided by 2.
285.
25.
285.
Inches squared, but
Correct.
that's a
I already got it.
dude. Beat up, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Cards didn't work today. Bad combo for you. Okay, you guys get a head start on this one. I will tell you, you have to use the Pythagorean theorem twice.
Yep. 31 feet.
For that side,
The longest side.
for the hypotenuse.
Yeah, the hypotenuse of the shaded one.
What's the short side of the hypotenuse?
Are we finding like the shaded one? Right?
Yep, we're gonna end up finding everything of the shaded one.
So it'd be 71.7.
Or you got that? No, the air.
Okay, now what am I doing?
It's
So it'd be 29 times 7.
divided by G. G6.75.
Much of being grabbed.
Yes, it's about
Wait, it's cool. On the perimeter area, oh my gosh.
I hate
distance.
this.
You distance. Basically, the distance relation.
You can live and be exact if you want to.
You're kidding.
Well, there's a lot going on here. What did you guys use as the base and height when you found the area?
29 and 11.5.
Good job.
Woo! Woo!
Mr. Fly.
Mr. Flow.
Mr. Fly.
You said that your hair is clear? Check out the flow. No, I don't care. What? Just really care.
Are we close? Do we match? More so check my work. Did I do it right?
Does Bundy would
Yep.
166.75 count?
I think that's a wonderful answer. That's better than my answer.
I think ours is better.
Okay, Wick, what?
He's more exact.
It's alright.
How did you guys
Are we
even
okay?
accomplish this?
No one likes know-it-alls.
Okay, last one. We're gonna divide and conquer. We're on the coordinate grid. We're looking for perimeter and area.
I know.
Can we count the length of
Oh,
QR?
yeah, that's easy.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
Simple.
Something easy.
7-3.
7. Okay,
Just 7 what?
QP. Can we count the length of QP?
No.
No.
Distance formula.
Yeah.
I forgot that.
Okay, this half of the room, you guys are QP.
Oh.
This
I don't
half of the room, you guys do PR.
What's the
Uh,
distance formula?
Is that the y2 minus y1?
Yeah.
Just throw that on the board for me.
x2 minus x1.
You say QP or?
You guys do QP.
Alright.
This half PR.
Well, I'm with you.
I got 4.4. I got 4.5.
4.4?
Nope. I go to 5. If you go to 1 decimal.
Yeah, 4.4.
Check on your shoulder, buddy. Make sure they remember how to do the distance formula.
Yes.
Yeah, Mason.
Where's Julia?
Still want to do it, so.
It's really quiet
Just
in
wait
here.
for
But it's her.
How do you get that? Is that for?
Oh, that's where
Can't you just put this all in the calendar?
Okay, QP. Did you guys get an answer?
Yeah, 4.5.
4.5. PR. Anybody?
Nope.
Wow.
What? Oh, there you
I got 6.4.
go. Good job, Hunter.
Okay. All right, perimeter. Let's add them up. Tell me what you get.
Probably 17.9.
It's around 17.9, I think.
17.9. I also agree.
And what's the unit? Just
This is
Little and
This would just be units.
It's in the
Units.
It's in the ball.
What's in the ballpark?
what?
You just say 17.9 units. Okay, now area's kind of goofy. I would always see if you have like a horizontal or vertical side, which we do here, right? What's the length of this guy?
7.
7. Now, what's perpendicular to something that's horizontal?
Vertical.
Vertical,
It's 4.
right? So if I count how far it is from here to here, what's that
Probably 4.
distance? 4.
Probably about 4.
So area equals base times height over 2.
14.
Should be 14.
How's the area showing us?
Hello.
I don't even know what
Units squared, if you want to be fancy.
Yeah,